Hello, my name is Janice Holloway. My teacher is Emily Carlisle. I take an online biology class, and today I will be discussing and answering questions from my class. The first question is, do I have siblings? Yes, I have an older sibling from my mother and two siblings from my father. The second question is, do I have a fraternal twin or identical twin? I do not have a fraternal twin or identical twin. The next question is, are your siblings like you or unlike you? I feel that my older sister, that's from my mother, is similarities to me and some are different. The similarities are that I feel that she acts like and talks like my mother, but her physical makeup is like one of my aunts on my father's side. Me personally, I feel that I act and talk like my father, and a lot of people say that I look and I'm built up like my mother. The two other siblings, we did not grow up together, but when we do get around each other, my sister, which is younger than me, from my father, she, I feel that she looks like one of my aunts on my father's side. But my brother, he's older, he's a darker tone. The three girls, including me, are in light color, but my brother, he's a darker tone because his mother's in darker tone. But I feel that he looks just like my father. The next question is, do I ever wonder how the same two parents can produce such different types of offspring? I say yes, because in my extended family, my grandmother had 12 kids, and all of her kids are a different shade. So I'm going to be talking with you today about skin color. The first thing that I'm going to say is that my grandfather was light colored. I'm using construction paper to show the difference in color. And my grandmother was very, very dark in tone. Now her mother, I was told that was a light-skinned Indian woman. She, however, was a dark-skinned, fairly short woman. And my grandfather, he was very, very, very light colored man, and he was also average height male. They both had 12 kids. And out of those 12 kids, all of the kids had different shades of brown, like a medium brown to darker tone brown. But none of them came out very light color, and none of them came out very dark color. But the second generation kids, they all came out very light colored. They had some brown kids, and then they also had one to every sixth child was a very dark colored child. So I'm going to go over the genetic makeup box right now of how the DNA genetic is made up of from the parents. And this is my genetic makeup box. And from my grandmother and my grandfather. In skin color, she carried light skinned because of her mom, and dark skinned. He carried light skinned and light skinned only from his parents. Both his parents were very light skinned. So if we do the genetic makeup, we know that the offsprings are carrying light colored skin color, and this is going to be a light colored carrying dark, light colored carrying dark, because she carried both types, light color and dark color. He only carried light color skin tone. So the outcome of the offspring will be 50% light colored skin tone and a 50% mixed colored skin tone. And they will have a 0% of dominant dark color skin tone. So as you can see in this example, the offsprings are my sisters, my siblings. A lot of people ask me, what color am I, or what race am I, where I'm from. I've been associated with being from an Arab nation. Some people say I look like a mix of an Indian and something, or Italian and something. But although I don't see it, I believe that the genetic makeup not only comes from my parents, but as well as my grandparents and my great grandparents and so on and so forth, which why I have the color that I have on my skin. So, in my conclusion, like I said earlier, you do get one genetic makeup from your father and one from your mother. So I thank you all for listening to me today, and have a great day. Thank you.